Shut. To close something. Please shut the door. I shut my eyes and went to sleep. Pray. To talk to God or ask for help, blessings or guidance. I pray before I sleep. She prays for her family every day. Boil. To heat a liquid until it bubbles, or to cook something in hot water. Please boil some water for tea. She boiled eggs for breakfast. Slip. To lose balance and fall. I slipped on the wet floor. She slipped on the ice and fell. Clean. Free from dirt or mess. I clean my room every day. He likes to keep his shoes clean. Sweat. Water that comes out of your skin when you are hot or working hard. He was sweating after playing football. He was sweating because he was nervous. Dive. To jump into water head first or to go down quickly. He dives into the pool every morning. The dolphin dived deep into the ocean. Wind. Natural movement of air. The wind is very strong today. The wind is cold in winter. Discuss. To talk about something with someone. We discussed our plans for the trip. I want to discuss my project with you. Wise. Knowing a lot and making good decisions. My grandfather is very wise. A wise student studies every day.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!